Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I'm excited to share three types of zoom transitions which are basic, advanced and legendary using Alight Motion. Once we hit our like target, I'll be sharing the XML file. So without any more delay, let's start the tutorial.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Here's the zoom graph for the basic one. You might be wondering that this graph has no settings, but this graph is perfect for sad edits. Here's the zoom graph for the advanced one. You can use this graph for shakes also. If you want to make hard shakes, use this second version of graph. Here's the zoom graph for the legendary one. This zoom transition is very specific. It works the best with some particular beats, as this song has beats in this manner. The beats here are fast and short. The beats before them is slow and long. So you can use this zoom for this beat. For example,